Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello, hi. How's it, fam? How's it, fam? Let me try to answer some questions that I was asked. Starting with the sound, the stick, how I've put the stick on the bike, and the components that I've got that I'm using to record. Stay with me. Let's see how I am doing it to share with you guys. Okay, these are the cameras that I'm using. Had to use my cooler box. I'm using the insta360R and the insta360 X3 and the GoPro. It depends with the GoPro if I need more cameras, but 2 is enough for the helmet view and the insta360. Notice that I've got this wire hanging here. We will come to it later. Any tool, it's a good tool, guys, as long as you achieve what you're looking for. I use a number of things. Look at this masking tape. I tape this so that the stick doesn't move due to vibration. And then other than that, I notice a lot of guys who put the stick, they put it too flat. It lies too low. You lose the front view, you lose a number of interesting view. So I prefer to put the stick a bit upright, the angle to be a bit up, so that it can be a little better for my viewers, for the view, for a beautiful scenery, for what's coming ahead. A lot of guys put it flat. It goes down here instead of having it up there. So you end up getting the rear tire and your back side, and then that's it. You don't see much unless you start moving the camera to the sides. We've got different preferences. I prefer to have it high there so that we can enjoy more stuff, see what's coming ahead, and have the view a bit better. Please take note, most of my videos had background music, but that was due to the bad sound that I was having due to not having any mic on my cameras. I was only using the cameras as is, but they can't handle the wind that we expose it to when the bike starts moving fast. So there's a lot of wind, annoying noise. That's why I had music on my videos. Just remember to get your stick right. Don't put it too flat. Yeah, I just prefer it right up there, not too flat. I've got this wire adapter here. It's a 2-pin, and then it goes into this module. It's an insta360 module for the sound, so that you can connect your mic. So it's a mic adapter that you use, plug it in on your 360, and then you'll be able to plug in your mic adapter. Like how I've mentioned, I'm using an insta360 X3 on the rear view camera, which I will show you guys the setup in a moment. So these two components, especially that camera, I screw it in right here on top, and then from there plug in that module for the mic, and then plug in that wire, which is an adapter with a female. It's just an adapter because you still need an extension, this blue one that goes down there. It's an extension so that it reaches down there on next to my seat, of which I'm still gonna explain why am I having my mic right behind my seat. Some other guys, they put it next to the exhaust. So with my wire right there, it goes up until the seat, and then that's where my mic sits. So if you think about it, I've got my mic behind the seat. I hardly have a passenger on my bike, so I just leave the mic to be there. For me, it records very well. My body shields the mic not to be exposed to wind, and then it can get the sound of the exhaust clearly and nicely. And for now, I feel it's perfect for me. It really works. There's no wind. You can just hear the bike. Yeah, it works well. For the front helmet view, I use an insta360 4K lens. The clarity, it's very nice. It's very nice. I like this camera. It can do many things. It's actually an 360 camera. You just change the modules and then it works well. So it's very nice on the front, guys. I really like it. Though you might have a few issues with this camera, especially if you plug it there or you put it right on the stick. When it vibrates too much, the module separates and then they create an error. That's about it for the components that I'm using to take footage of my riding vlogs and the riding experience. I think allow me to plug everything and then you'll see the entire setup. Right now, let's just plug everything. I prefer using the pouch every time, guys. Use this pouch just to protect your lenses and then screw in the camera. Then that's when you take it out when the camera is screwed in. And this is how it looks like. Total setup, mic connected via the extension, via the stick, up until you reach the mic where it connects as well behind the seat. Let's move on to the front camera then. Always wipe your lenses, please, or else just doesn't serve any purpose then. To buy such good cameras and then have your lenses dirty then becomes useless because the quality of the video becomes terrible. From the front view camera, the one on the helmet, this one, you won't hear me talking or engaging much because I don't have a mic as yet. I'm still waiting for the mic adapter, which I've ordered, that goes in there. And then I'll be able to engage, explain, talk while I'm riding and all that. For now, no, nothing. Let's share knowledge. I'm trying to grow this channel. Help me. If you are at this point in this video, might as well subscribe. Please do. I hope this video was helpful. Let's go to the road. Let's go test what we've been talking about. Let's go take some footage and hear how it sounds like. Let's go.